In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to achieve a super high score in Block Blast. Let's start by understanding how the scoring system works. Knowing how points are awarded for different moves is essential for improving your gameplay. Mastering the mechanics will help you optimize your strategy. Before we start, if you found this tutorial helpful and want more tips, tricks, and guides like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Block Blast isn't just about reacting to the current board. It rewards strategic thinking. Always plan a few steps ahead. Consider how each move sets up the next one, creating opportunities for big combos and higher scores. Clearing multiple lines at once is a game-changing technique. Not only does it significantly boost your score, but it also frees up valuable space on the board. This extra room becomes crucial as the game advances and new blocks appear. Special blocks play a pivotal role in the game. These blocks can clear larger areas and trigger chain reactions, earning you massive points. However, they need to be used wisely. Employ them strategically to maximize their potential and set up explosive combos. Patience is another vital aspect of Block Blast. Instead of rushing, take your time to analyze the board and wait for the right moment to make impactful moves. Setting up large clears or combos can make a huge difference in your score. Finally, avoid the common mistake of filling up the board too quickly. Always leave space for maneuvering your blocks. Keeping the board manageable will open up more opportunities for larger clears and higher scores. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to achieving super high scores in Block Blast.